Get soft pink lips naturally with beetroot, the simplest home remedy. The prettiest thing you can wear is your smile, and smile is not all about your shiny white teeth, it's about your lips as well. We all wish to have soft pink and luscious lips, but somehow it seems like a distant dream. Your lips are more sensitive than you think. Chapped, dry, pigmented lips speak volumes about your health. Your lips deserve some extra care and attention in order to keep them hydrated and restore their natural softness and smoothness. Here is a simple do-it-yourself remedy for naturally soft and pink lips that you can do in the comfort of your home. Caution: please do a patch test before you try this method, in case you are allergic to certain ingredients. Beetroot Lip Balm. Beetroot is known for its natural color and the boundless benefits it brings to your skin and your overall health. This beetroot lip balm also acts as a temporary lip stain. It acts as a natural exfoliator and will help you lighten pigmented lips with usage over time. To make this special beetroot lip balm, you will need 1 teaspoon beetroot juice, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon grated beeswax. Place a pan over medium heat and fill a quarter of it with water. Place a heat-resistant glass bowl inside the pan over the warm water. Start with adding the shea butter, olive oil, and beeswax in a glass bowl, stirring constantly until the ingredients melt and blend together. Add the beetroot juice and mix. Transfer the content into containers and let it cool down to set. You can use it whenever you feel your lips lack moisture or you need some hydration. Besides, it leaves this gorgeous red stain too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.